Hi friends, first of all thank you friends for being in my video, and today I have taken notifications of IBPS, that is Specialist Officer SO 2020 notification for agriculture field officers, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to discuss about the notification and the exam pattern, and also I explained the strategy for cracking this exam in a short period of time. And without wasting time, let's get into the video. These are the dates which are given by IBPS SO friends. Let's see these dates, and this is online registration is ending date is 23rd of November. So please quick and registered with IBPS this SO exam, and the prelims exam is conducted on 26th of December and 27th of December, and the result will be given after 2 weeks, and the online main exam is on 24th of January, and this result is also come after 2 weeks, and conduct of interview is on February, and provisional allotment means they give the allotment of your bank on April 2021. So please be quick and apply for this great notification. And this is the preliminary exam pattern. For agriculture field officer post, the exam pattern of prelims is like this. English language they give 50 questions and the marks is 25 marks. So each question carries 0.5 mark, half mark. And the time here, the given time duration is 40 minutes. For each language they have given duration of 40 minutes. So please keep in the mind that sectional timing is also there of 40 minutes for each section. And reasoning they have given number of questions 50 and the maximum marks is also 50. And in quantitative aptitude the number of questions are 50 and the maximum marks is also 50, and the total of the examination is number of questions 150 and the total marks for the examination is 125 marks. And main exam pattern, and the after passing preliminary exam, please keep in the mind that preliminary exam is only a cut-off exam. That means if you want to go to the mains, you have to clear the preliminary exam. Without clearing that exam we can't write mains exam, and also the marks obtained in the preliminary exam is not calculated. So please keep in the mind that we have to only clear the cut-off of the preliminary exam. We didn't have to score a much more marks in preliminary exam. So please keep in this mind. And comes to the mains exam pattern, the professional knowledge, that means agriculture knowledge for agricultural field officer, number of questions is 60 questions and maximum marks is 60 marks, and the duration is 45 minutes. That means we have to answer 60 questions within a time of 45 minutes only. So please keep in this mind that we have less than 1 minute for each and every question. And last stage is an interview. It is the simple stage. We can't bother about the interview, and we didn't think about the interview. I have given the mains exam in the red. That means it is the main level of this entire selection process. If we get much more score in mains exam, then we have get the chances of getting the job. And this is preliminary exam cutoffs which were given here in a tabular form. See here. In 2017, see friends, the cutoff in English language is 0.75 for 25 marks. That means if you answered 4 questions right, also only 4 questions, you has to clear the English language cutoff. And cutoff for reasoning is 11 marks out of 50 marks, and quantitative aptitude is 8.75 out of 50 marks. That means, see friends, less than 10 and 15 marks also we can clear cutoff. When it comes to 2018, for English language it is 4.75, for reasoning it is 10 marks, and for quant is 7 marks, and overall cutoff is 22.25. Where in 2019, last year, English language is 5.50. That means we have to answer 12 correct answers so that we can easily clear that cutoff. And for reasoning is 10.50, and for quantitative aptitude is 8.50, and overall cutoff is 36.34, and we have to keep in mind that this year also the overall cutoff must be less than 40 marks only. So we keep in this mind that we have to score 40 marks in the preliminary exam. That means we have to clear the cutoff in preliminary exams. And for the mains examination, the cutoff for 2017-18 professional knowledge is 13.75, and these cutoffs are only related to general category students and also for all, but I have taken only the general category cutoffs. Please, there must be a change of 2-3 marks for the reservation category, but this is the cutoff of the general category. And for professional knowledge, the cutoff is 13.75, but you have to remember this shortlist for interview it is 20.75. If you got a marks of 14 marks also, you can't qualify to interview. We have to shortlist for interview. So I have said earlier also, mains exam is the best and important part for the selection. So please keep in this mind once again that mains examination is the important. So here the shortlist for interview is 20.75. If I got 15 marks, I can shortlist for interview. I didn't go for interview even though I clear the cutoff of the mains paper. So we have to score much more score in the mains examination. And in 2018 and 19 selection, the professional knowledge paper is 21.75, but shortlist for interview is 25.50. And 1920 last year, the professional knowledge paper is so easy, so the professional knowledge paper has cutoff of 25.50, but the shortlist for interview is 30 marks. The person who got more than 30 marks only gone for the interview, and below the persons, they even though clear the cutoff, but they can't appear for the interview. So please keep in the mind once again, the mains examination is the main and important part for this selection. And the combined score of online main exam and interview out of 100. These are the scores for those students who are selected for the bank as agriculture field officers. In 2017 and 18 year, the persons who got 48.67, the candidates who got 48.67 marks are selected for any of the nationalized bank. And the maximum score, that means that year the person who got highest score is 60.40. And 2018 19 48.67 only is the minimum score of selection, and 1920 63.80 is the minimum score of selection. That means the person who got more than 63.80 is selected for the bank as agriculture field officer. And the highest score last year, the person who got highest score is 82 marks. So friends, we have to keep in the mind that we are in between these scores as per the last year. As per the last year scores are considered, we must be in these only for this year also. For 2021, our overall score must be between 64 to 82. That means in this score only we have the more chances of getting selection into the bank. And these are the vacancies which are given for 2020 as agriculture field officer scale 1. The Bank of Baroda has no vacancies, and Bank of India has 45 total vacancies, and Bank of Maharashtra 0, Canara Bank 290, Central Bank of India 0, Indian Bank no vacancies, Indian Overseas Bank 0. Here why I am telling this is, you have to know one thing, that this 485 is not the last total for the selection. There may be an increase from last 3 years. There may be an increase in this number by 200 or 300. Last year notification is given for 800 posts, but the recruitment is taken for 1200 posts. So there may be an increase of 200 and 300. Why I am explaining this? Because if here Bank of Baroda is said not required, NR means not required, the Bank of Baroda didn't require any candidates for their bank. Okay friends, they didn't require any persons to their bank. But here see, Union Bank of India, they notified as 0. That means they are not responded to the IBPS. Keep in mind that they are not responded to the IBPS. They didn't give their vacancies to the IBPS, so IBPS given in the notification that is 0. But there may be a chances of taking by Union Bank of India in future. In December, Union Bank of India said we need 110 posts as agriculture field officers, then IBPS included in this notification. So while preferring your references, please consider both 0 and the vacancies shown bank as per your references. That means, how I tell, I need Central Bank of India, but Central Bank of India has 0, no vacancies are there, even though I kept Central Bank of India as my first option of preference. Why? Because in future, if Central Bank of India needs agriculture field officers, then I will be a part of that. Not required means they are not required, so I eliminate those banks, and 0 and the vacancies shown banks, I will consider those banks, and I will keep in my preferences those banks also who are having 0 as my first options. Please keep in this mind and keep your preferences. And here strategy to crack prelims exam. I said that earlier also. I also explained the strategy to crack prelims exam, and this is the strategy to crack prelims exam. And our first language is English language, which is for 25 marks, and the number of questions are 50. And in English language, don't make much burden in your head, right? We have to crack only the cutoff. Please keep in the mind that prelims we have to crack only the cutoff. In coaching centers, all the subject is kept in the mind. That means we got confused, but you have to participate in the prelims only to clear the cutoff. The prelim score are not included in our final selection. So I recommended the students that only prepare some particular topics only, not take all the topics. Prefer like this sequence only. In the examination also, you make the solutions of the questions like this sequence only. First you make the comprehensions, that means passage reading. You have to take all the passage readings in the paper in the examination, and you first solve those comprehensions, and later after the comprehensions you go for closed tests, and after the closed test you go for match the columns, because these three topics are having an accuracy of 80% and more. If the students who are prepared less time also, they get much accuracy in these three topics only. If you go for error detection, if your grammar is weak, you can't solve those error detection problems. So please consider that these three topics, and you will compulsorily clear the cutoff, because comprehensions they give nearly 10 to 15 questions, and closed test for 10 questions, and match the columns for 5 questions, and overall there are 25 to 30 questions from these three topics only. That means you easily clear 5 marks of cutoff from these three topics only. And let's go to the strategy for reasoning. For reasoning, these are the 5 topics which are very important to clear the cutoff. I said earlier also to clear the cutoff and follow this sequence of solving the questions in the exam. First you have to solve syllogism, and later you have to solve directions, and later you have to solve blood relations, and later you have to solve coded inequalities, and later you solve puzzles. And all these videos are in my channel. Please see those videos also and follow this sequence. Don't go puzzles first, because it is a time consuming questions. If you wasted time of 10 minutes from in one puzzle, then you can't answer syllogism. You didn't have time to syllogism. So keep puzzles at the last and do syllogisms, directions, blood relations, and coded inequalities questions first, and later go to the puzzles. That means why? Because the time taken for the puzzles, we cannot say what the time was taken for the puzzles. If some puzzles are solved in 5 minutes and some puzzles are solved in 12 to 15 minutes, you have only 40 minutes to solve the reasoning, and you have to clear the cutoff within these 40 minutes only. So if you have waited for puzzles, you wasted time of for puzzles, then the remaining small questions which are solved within less than 1 minute are left by you. So please make this sequence in your practice mock tests. And for quantitative aptitude, for agriculture students, the quantitative aptitude is a big burden, a large wall for them. They can't cross this wall for prelims. But don't fear about quantitative aptitude. The quantitative aptitude is simple and clear that in prelims exam you have to clear the cutoff only. Please remember this point, clear the cutoff. We didn't have to score more, we just clear the cutoff. So for clearing this cutoff of quantitative, I have given these 4 topics. Data interpretation, 3 to 4 questions came from data interpretation. You have to solve these data interpretations. Even 2 data interpretations also you solved, you must clear the cutoff for quantitative aptitude. And compound and simple interest, this is the bank exam. You have to learn this compound and simple interest problems. Compound and simple interest problems came from 3 to 5 questions. So please learn this topic. And quadratic equations are for 5 marks, and you have to learn those quadratic equations which is simple, and you have to learn this. Number series and missing numbers is also a simple topic, so you have to learn it. Beyond this, if you have a time to learn more, then go for simplifications and approximations if you have much more time to prepare. If no time, please go through this topic for clearing the cutoff of quantitative aptitude. And the important note is that don't forget to write mock tests. Right, friends? You don't forget to write mock tests before going to the examination. If you write the mock test only, you know the mistakes and you know the time consuming method, from which topic you are consuming more time, you have to skip that topic. So mock test is very important. Paid mock test, there are many channels, many sites are there for paid mock test, but free mock test you got an application in your mobile, that Adda 24/7 application. In this application there are daily quizzes. They given the sectional wise daily quizzes and topic wise daily quizzes. So participate in that quizzes so that you get a expertise or an idea. You got an idea to attempt those questions. So please go through that application for your preparation for free only. Strategy for mains exam, this is for strategy for mains exam. I recommend you for mock tests. For mock test, the mains exam, you have to pay for it only in Grade Up, Olive Board, like that. Unacademy, they will provide you the mains exam for agriculture field officer. And current affairs, for current affairs I am uploading video in my channel for each and every month, current affairs with important dates also. So please watch those videos for current affairs. And the agriculture part, professional knowledge part, which is very important, I recommend you the book that Agriculture at a Glance by R.K. Sharma. This book is enough for those students who are preparing for a short period. But you are preparing for a long period, please go through Arun Kachaya. Go through this R.K. Sharma book for twice or a thrice. And I am recommending you students that first you have to complete this agriculture at glance, and you have to start reading this agriculture at a glance book from today itself. Don't wait for mains examination. After prelims examination I will start, or during January I will start, or after next month I will start. Don't do like that, because I said you that mains exam is the main exam for the selection. If you score more marks in mains exam, you will also have more chances to get your job. So please start this book, reading this book from today itself. Don't delay in reading this, and you have to read this book for 2 to 3 times before going to the exam, so that you can easily crack the exam. So please friends, please do this. Start today, buy this book today and start reading this book. And if you need much more sources, you also find those in internet, and I am also uploading agricultural videos, so please watch those videos also.